Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to teach you or to let you know when you can make use of the nose mask. Due to this coronavirus pandemic, the NCDC or WHO, the World Health Organization, have advised the use of a nose mask as well as the use of a hand sanitizer. But now I wish to let you know when, because I noticed that majority of people, they put on the nose mask from morning till evening, which is very wrong. So how do you know when you are to put on your nose mask? Nose mask is supposed to be used for limited period of time. That is, when if you wear a nose mask for a longer period, it might lead to several problems. It will reduce the oxygen supply to the brain. It will reduce, once you use nose mask for a longer period, it reduces oxygen supply to the brain, and the brain needs constant supply of oxygen to make you to perform better in your day-to-day activities. When there is reduced supply of oxygen to the brain, it makes the body started feeling weak. You start feeling very, very weak. Why? Because the brain is not receiving enough oxygen that it's supposed to receive. This process can lead to death. If it is not well taken care of, it can lead to death. So my advice for you on how to use a face mask: ensure you pull off the nose mask whenever you are alone. You don't need to. What's the reason why you are covering your nose when you are alone? Are you going to infect yourself with a coronavirus? No. So you need to pull off your nose mask whenever you are alone to avoid reduction in the supply of oxygen. Because in your house, it might not be well ventilated, or sometimes if you continue putting it on, it will gradually affect the system. You need not use face mask when you are at home. Why do you want to use it at home? You are the one and your family. You are the only one at home, or maybe you and your family. At least I believe it is not possible for you to, if you have not been exposed out on the outside, that is, maybe when you go outside, you have not been exposed to coronavirus, because I believe you are constantly following the instruction and using your face mask or nose mask. So thereby, when you get home, you need not use it, so as to avoid little problem. That is, because it's hard or surprising for seeing people putting on nose masks when they are at home. What are you preventing? Is coronavirus at your home? You only use face mask or nose mask whenever you are in contact with one or two people, or maybe you are in public places. Whenever you are going out, you come in contact with one or two people, or you are in a crowd. That is when you need to use the face mask or nose mask. That is the only time you need to use it. You need to reduce the use of nose mask. Why? Why are you isolating yourself when there is no coronavirus in your home? So stop isolating yourself. Reduce your use of nose mask all the time. You only use it when you are in a public place, or when you are in a gathering, or you are in contact with external personality, or maybe you are with one or more people. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button, and you click on the subscribe button. as well as the bell button beside the subscribe button, so that you'll be able to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.